Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I want to share with you the first creation inside of the $5 birdhouse that I bought at the thrift store. Now it has a little backstory. When I was at the thrift store, I was filming so that I could give you a tour, and I walked right up to this house which was on a shelf, and I thought about it too much because of space issues. I did not buy it, and I came home regretting it. And I said to myself, well, next week I will go back and hopefully it's there. So I went back a week later and there it was. No one paid attention to it in a week's time. So it was there for me, $5. And it's actually a little birdhouse, and it was enclosed in the back. But my hubby's pretty handy, and he has a Black & Decker jigsaw. So he made an opening in the back so that I could work in it. And that is how I was able to place all the decorative paper in there and place the furniture inside. So I want to give you a little tour of the first miniature creation in this tiny house. So this is the front here. It has a little attic right there. For future videos, I'm going to enhance the front here. And I will also create something for the back, like some type of patio area. So let's look at this all around. This is the side, and it has the first floor window and second floor window. Through the second floor window, you can see that there is a shelf with some decorative pieces in there. If you go down to the first floor, you can see some furniture in there. So why don't we take a look inside? So this is it. Now, I didn't place much furniture in here because it's so small. Unless I have tinier furniture, I would be able to add more to it. But I didn't add much. I have this from Hobby Lobby. It's usually in one of my other doll houses. I decorate it all over with white and black paper. And at the end of this video, I will turn on the light so that you can see it under the regular lighting. Those are LED lights from the Dollar Tree. On the side there, you see some books. And you see this shelf here with some decorative pieces. I bought it at a flea market recently, but I added some books here. Those books didn't come with it. Then there is a little birdhouse there by the window, and you will see all this a lot better under the regular lighting. So the rug is one of my favorite ideas, you could say, because it's a COVID mask, and I've had it in one of my other doll houses. This COVID mask happened to match this piece of furniture. You see what I'm saying? Now the story with this mask is that when COVID was high, I went to Walmart to get some masks. So I found a little package of like 3 masks, but I didn't realize that they were actually for kids. It was too small for me. So it ended up here because I said to myself, wow, look at this pattern. It matches one of my pieces of furniture. So it's perfect. Now I'm going to turn on the light so that you can see this under the regular lighting. Okay. I think you can see it better unless I turn off the blue LED lights. I think that's what I'm going to do so that you can see it better. Now the battery pack is right there. You see it? Right on the side here. Let's see if I can do, okay, there it goes. Okay, so this is it now. See, this you couldn't see in the dark with just the blue LED lights. Now you can see it. Those are just two pieces of cardboard with a picture of a magazine. And those books that you see there, I want to show you what that really is. See these Jenga blocks? I have a whole bunch of these. And I also have, from a magazine, a strip of books. So what I do is I cut them out to the size of the Jenga block. And I just stick them there with tape or whatever. I usually don't use glue, so I use tape. So I made myself this little shelf here that you see. Let me take it out if I can take it out. Okay, you see what I'm trying to say? From the Jenga block, from using this and this cutting. So if you have a picture of books and you have some pieces of wood, you can make yourself a nice bunch of books together here. And then this is a little plant inside a piece of cork. This here, you see, now we can't really see unless we have that light, but that is a shelf from the flea market. And there's a bird cage over there by the window. Right there. So why don't we place this here, and we'll turn on the blue lighting again. There. So that's it. This is the first creation inside of the little birdhouse that was opened up in the back. That was the only way I would have been able to place that decorative paper in there. I wouldn't have been able to do it just through that door. Alrighty, well, I think that this is it. I hope that you've enjoyed this creation, and I thank you for watching.